Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to mathematics class, chapter 7, coordinate geometry, part 4. In today's class, we are going to learn sums from exercise 7.1 using the distance formula. So let us move on to that. The eighth question, continuation of the previous class, that is up to 7 sums we have already completed. That is the eighth question. Show that the vertices, uh, that is minus 4, minus 7, minus 1, 2, and 8, 5, and 5 minus 4 are taken in order or the vertices of rhombus and find its area. So to find its area, you must find first these vertices forms a rhombus or not. If it forms rhombus, then you have to find the area. So let us take that point A, x1, y1 is equal to minus 4, minus 7, B, x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, 2, C, x3, y3 is equal to 8, 5, and D, x4, y4 is equal to 5, comma, minus 4. Now, use the distance formula AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values minus 1 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. That is minus 1 minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 7 whole square. That is equal to minus 1 plus 4 is 3, 3 square, and 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 square. 3 square is value is 9, and 9 square is 9 into 9, 81. 9 plus 81, 90 units. Now find the distance of BC. That is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. x3 is 8, 8 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. That is 8 minus of minus 1 is what? 8 plus 1. That is a 9. 9 square plus 5 minus 2 value is 3. That is a 3 square. So 9 square is 81 and 3 square is 9. So 81 plus 9, that is equal to 90. The two adjacent sides we got 90. So let us find the other two also. CD, that is equal to x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square, that is 5 minus 8 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 whole square, that is minus 3 whole square plus minus 10 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. 3, minus into minus plus, and 3 3s are 9. Similarly, minus 9 whole square, minus into minus plus, and 9 9s are 81. So 9 plus 81 is equal to root 90 units. Now find the last side, that is AD. x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. 5 minus of minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus of minus 7 whole square. That is 5 plus 4 whole square, then minus 4 plus 7 whole square. 5 plus 4 is 9, it is 9 square, minus 4 plus 7 is 3, so 3 square. Again 9 square is 81, and 3 square is 9, root 90. So when four vertices, means when the lengths of the four sides are equal, we cannot come to the conclusion that it's a rhombus, because you have to find the diagonals lengths also. If diagonals are not equal and all the sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. If diagonals are equal, then all the sides are also equal, then it is a square. So that's why let us find the length of the diagonal. Please remember, children, we should not find the midpoint here, because midpoint of the diagonals will be equal for both square as well as rhombus also. That's why if you get both midpoints equal also, we cannot justify that whether it's a square or a rhombus. That's why you have to find the lengths of the diagonals only to check whether it is a rhombus or square, because both have the similar properties, except if in square diagonals are equal, but whereas in rhombus diagonals are not equal. Other than that, all the properties are similar for both square and rhombus. That's why find length of diagonal AC. First diagonal AC. X3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. That is 8 minus of minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. That is equal to minus into minus plus, so 8 plus 4 whole square plus minus into minus plus, so 5 plus 7 whole square. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 square plus 12 square. 12 12s are 144. Then here also 12 12 is 144. 144 plus 144 root 288 units. Now find the length of the other diagonal, that is BD. X4 minus x2 whole square plus y4 minus y2 whole square. 5 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 1 whole square. And two negatives we have to add. So 4 plus 2, 6. With 6 will get minus 6 whole square. That is equal to 6 square plus 6 square is 36 minus 6 square, that means minus into minus plus 6 into 6 is 36. So 36 plus 36 root 72. All the four sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. So we can say that the given vertices at the given points are the vertices of a rhombus. So after finding that after finding the type of quadrilateral, now we have to find the area of rhombus. Formula is half d1 into d2. That is half into first diagonal length is root 288, second diagonal length is root 72. That is equal to half into, we can write 288 as 72 into 4. 72 fours are 288. So we can write here root A into root B. We can write as root over A into B. So we can bring both the numbers under one root only. So root over 72 into 4 into the 72. So root 2, we have two 72s are there under the root. So we can bring that 72 out of the root, and your root 4 value is 2. So complete root is removed, and we got here half into 72 into 2. Then this 2 and this 2 both are cancelled. This denominator 2, this numerator 2 both are cancelled. Left over is 72 square units. So area of rhombus is 72 square units. So remember children. So hence, what is the four vertices are given to check whether it is a rhombus or square? You must find lengths of all the four sides. Along with that, you must find lengths of the diagonals also, not the midpoint of the diagonals. Now, next question. Name the type of quadrilateral form, if any, by the following points and give the reasons for your answer. Here, the 4 points are given, but we don't know. These are the 4 points of the quadrilateral, but what type of quadrilateral it is, we don't know. Let us check. To check that what type of quadrilateral it is, we must find lengths of all the 4 sides. Let us assume that the first point as A, x1, y1, that is equal to minus 1, minus 2. Second point B, x2, y2, that is 1, comma 0. Third point C, that is x3, y3, that is equal to minus 1, comma 2. Then fourth one is D, x4, y4, that is equal to minus 3, comma 0. Now, distance form, let us find AB. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. Minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 1 whole square, and minus into minus plus 0 plus 2 is 2, so 2 square. That is here 2 square plus 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, that is root 8 units. So let us find BC. That is x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. That is minus 1 whole square plus 2 or minus 1 by 2 minus 0 whole square. Minus 1, 2 negatives we have to add. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which we will get minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 0 value is 2. So 2 square. Minus 2 whole square, its value is minus into minus plus, and 2 2s are 4. Here 4 and 2 square value is 4. So 4 plus 4, that is root 8 units. Now find the length of CD. That is x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. That is minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Minus 3 minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1, its value is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square value is what? 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus. So root 4. And here also minus 2 whole square, minus 2 2s are 4, and minus into minus plus. Root of 4 plus 4, that is root 8 units. Now find length of AD. That is x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. Minus 3 minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1 whole square. And here with 0 minus into minus plus 0 plus 2 whole square. Negative positive, you have to subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Which 2 will get minus 2 will get. And here 0 plus 2 value is 2. So we'll get 2 square. Minus 2 square is what? Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. and here 2 square is also 4. 4 plus 4 is root 8. We got all the four sides are equal. So, but when all the four sides are equal, we cannot come to the conclusion that whether it is a square or a rhombus. To check whether it is a square or rhombus, we have to find the lengths of the diagonals. That is, the next first diagonal is AC, x3 minus x1 whole square, plus y3 minus y1 whole square, minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square, plus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus into minus plus, so minus 1 plus 1 whole square, and 2 minus into minus here plus 2 plus 2 whole square. Minus 1 plus 1, its value is completely 0, so 0 square plus 2 plus 2 is 4 square. So here 4 square is what? 16. Root 16 value is 4. So let us find BD. Children, it's a print mistake. It's not AD. This is what, children? BD. Please correct it, everyone. This is what? BD. This is not A. This is B. Second diagonal, BD. So x4 minus x2 whole square plus y4 minus y2 whole square. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 0 minus 0 whole square. Two negatives we have to add. So 3 plus 1 is 4. That is minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 0 is 0. That is 0 square. Minus 4 whole square value is what? 16, because minus 1 minus plus whole 4 is 16. Root 16. 16 plus 0. 16 plus 0 is again 16. Root 16 is 4. So, children, here we got all the four sides AB, BC, CD, AD is equal to root 8, and lengths of diagonals AC and BD we got 4 units. So all the four sides are equal and lengths of diagonals are also equal. So the given points forms a square as lengths of all sides are equal as well as the lengths of diagonals are also equal. These are the two main properties of a square. So we can come to the conclusion that the given points are the vertices of a square. So my dear children, I hope you might have understood today's content very well. So that is nothing but to check whether the given vertex forms a square or means what type of quadrilateral it is or not, what type of quadrilateral you have to find. And then the previous question is that first you have to find whether the given vertex forms a rhombus or not. Then when it forms a rhombus, then you have to find the area of the rhombus. Now, the next figure in this ninth question, the same model sums are there, that what type of quadrant it is. To check that, you have to find all the four sides, children. Once again, I'm telling you here, no need to confuse, because those sums I'll give it as assignment. So to find lengths of all the four sides, if you get opposite sides equal, then you must find the midpoint also. If you get opposite sides equal, then midpoints are also equal. That is a parallelogram. If you get opposite sides equal, midpoints are not equal, then it is a rectangle. If you get all the sides equal and length of the diagonals equal, then it is a square. If you get all the four sides equal, length of the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. So these points, please you keep it in your mind. Once again, I'm telling, if opposite sides are equal, then midpoints are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Then, and if opposite sides are equal and midpoints are not equal, then it is a rectangle. If all the sides are equal, then diagonals are also equal, then it is a square. All the sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. So in this way, you can find the remaining three bits from question number 9. So, my dear children, I hope you might have understood today's the sums, two sums, which are very, very important for 4 marks. So please practice well those two sums. Well, two sums are explained in today's class because both are lengthy sums. So practice well those sums, and you must write those two sums are also as assignment. Thank you very much, and thank you one and all.